Hello Airfix fans and welcome back to another retro unboxing. We have a real treat for you today, this Dinosaurs kit from 2005. This unboxing is extra special as this kit has been left untouched and unopened for over 15 years. This kit is a starter set in style and includes paint and glue. There's 3 different dinosaurs in this kit, a Stegosaurus, a Triceratops and of course a Tyrannosaurus Rex. First up, let's look at the Stegosaurus kit. The body is split into 2 and you can see the gaps in the mould where the legs will go. The Stegosaurus tooling dates back from 1978, with it appearing in several different boxes throughout its lifetime until most recently in this boxing in 2005. The instructions do include some facts about the Stegosaurus, but you'll have to forgive me if the 2005 dinosaur facts are a little outdated. The Stegosaurus measured about 7 metres and was a vegetarian. Certain researchers think that the plates on its back could play the role of cooling elements or radiators, making it possible for these animals to live in the very hot life of North America. Now onto the paints you get in this kit, and you may recognise this style of paint pot, which doesn't look too dissimilar to the modern day ones you get in starter sets. You also get the classic tube of poly cement, but not in the modern day yellow. Do you remember your poly cement looking like this? Let me know down below. And the last paint pot you get is these old looking Humbrol Super Acrylic paints. Next up, let's take a look at the Triceratops. Unlike the Stegosaurus, the body fits onto the frame along with all its limbs. The tooling for the Triceratops is slightly older, first coming into the range in 1977. On the second sprue we can get a closer look at the head and it looks really good. These kits are starting to give me the modelling itch. What do you think? Should we have a crack at building and painting the dinosaurs? Let me know down below. Now onto the dinosaur you've all been waiting for, the T-Rex. This tooling is also from 1977. You can see some really small parts on this sprue, pieces that look like teeth and of course the iconic small T-Rex arms. The second sprue is where it starts to get exciting. We get to see the face of the T-Rex up close, and I have to say, it's pretty terrifying. Finally, onto the instructions. The kit looks pretty easy to assemble, as you could probably tell by the large parts on the sprues earlier. Well, that was the dinosaur kit from 2005. Did you build this kit? Should we bring back the dinosaurs? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.